am Teacher Melissa May Omamalin. I am a senior high school teacher too. I am a science teacher and I usually advise STEM students. Okay, so as we all know, AI tools nowadays are very rampant, no? So students tend to use AI to answer um, their assignments and tasks quickly. So with that, it is oftentimes they rely on the AI tools and not practicing their critical thinking skills. Okay, so for me, as a science teacher, and as I have observed with how my students use AI tools, I think both. No, it can enhance, but also it can also depreciate the thinking, critical thinking skills and problem solving skills of our students. So how or why? It enhances because with AI tools, they have a guide on how to um, do their task. But in the long run, if they are too dependent with the AI tools, it will depreciate their critical thinking skills because of the dependency on the tool. So, dilit na nila gamitin ng ilang kaugalingon, but they tend to just click on that AI tool for it to give a quick answer about a certain task. Their over dependency on the tool actually, because with that it diminishes their creativity, their critical thinking, and also their analytical thinking skills. They tend to rely on that too much, uh, which led them to just get quick answers out of the tool, no, and not them using their own mind on how to solve problems. Okay, so as a science teacher and as a uh, teacher in this 21st century na kanang mga kabatanunan, we DepEd also, our Department of Education, also encourages us to integrate ICT with our teaching. So I will not say AI is not good actually, no? So we use AI to integrate problem solving skills to our students, but we must integrate it with experimentations as well. So at the same time, we are using AI tools, no? So it is integrated in how we're going to give lessons to our students, and students are going to use AI tools, but at the same time, they're also using their minds, their creativity, and their critical and analytical thinking skills. So I encourage my students whenever there are tasks that is too difficult for them to comprehend, they can use AI actually, but not to the extent that they depend on it. No, so they can always use AI tools, but then also do the task on their own and see with the use of AI if they are properly guided by it.